How to fix your organization used Windows Defender application control to block this program. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to your start and then go to Windows Security. Now, go to App and Browser Control. After that, go to Reputation-Based Protection Settings. And then, if these are turned on, all you have to do is turn this off and confirm yes. Now scroll all the way down and then simply uncheck this potentially unwanted app blocking. Now the app will no longer be blocked by Windows Protection. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.